Hello friends. While thinking of confidence, I always believe that this low confidence has created a lot of problems in our life. Because of our low self-confidence, we could not complete our tasks. We could not move ahead on the path to fulfill our goals which we aspired for, and therefore we continued procrastination and believing on limiting beliefs and creating self-doubts. Therefore, it is very essential that to get away from low self-confidence and attain the confidence and understand, get aware of your limiting beliefs and understand how to shut up your inner critics to get into a positive mode or a mode of growth mindset. So just to tell you that if you are interested to know about answers or few questions which are regularly arise in our mind, I have just noted down some of the questions. So for your reference, I would just like you to answer these questions. Does being confident mean that you never felt self-doubt? Second, how do you become more confident? Third, how long does it take to create real change with your confidence? Fourth, what's the biggest threat to confidence? Fifth, what is self-confidence? Sixth, what is the difference between self-esteem and self-confidence? And very essential question, can you fake self-confidence? Very true, because this confidence, the self-confidence and faking the self-confidence is a concept which really troubles an individual. The last question which I feel you should answer, what do I do when I am feeling insecure, anxious, or filled with self-doubt? So friends, these are the few questions which, if you want to know about their answers, you should join me in my webinar on a detailed interaction on confidence, self-confidence, and self-esteem, and develop true confidence and a growth mindset. So we are going to meet for a webinar and we are going to interact as usual. This is the fourth element of our series, Conquering Your Mind, as we have already had webinars on CBT, emotional intelligence, happiness, and now it's confidence. So looking forward to meet you in my webinar. Thank you.